Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's understand few of the extrude tools related to the edge component. So I'm going to create a polygon plane here, and then I'm going to select the edge component. Once I selected that, I go to the mesh, and then we have extrude edge, and then we have these three tools. I can access these tools by pressing Alt E on the keyboard. So I just press Alt E, and then you have these three tools listed. So the first tool is extrude edge. Once you have picked the tool, if you move the cursor, the edge will move in relation with the cursor. It just maintains wherever the cursor is there. It maintains that offset. However, you can press that, and then you can choose your keyboard shortcuts like X and then 2, and then it extrudes that 2 units in the X-axis. You can select that here. Press Alt E and then press Y and then 2, then you get that 2 units there. So you can keep extruding that way. Okay, so let me select that, press Alt E, and then we have extrude with a repeat. And then if I open the option here, there are a few values actually, so I'm going to choose that values. So I've selected that edge. I'm going to offset that in the y-axis. Okay, and then you should be able to see we have the steps here, how many steps you want that to be progress, and then we have the scale option for the extruded face. Okay, so that's how you can extrude things here with edge component. Okay, so let me select all of them, and then I'm going to select the vertex component. Okay, and then I'm going to merge it. So I'm selecting all vertex points. I just need to hover the cursor on the vertex and press L, and it selects all of them, and then press M and then merge them. Now I should be able to see there's a vertex there. Okay, so I've got this vertex. I'm going to move it somewhere here at the origin. Okay, so once I've moved there, I'm going to hold Control and right click, and then that gives up the vertex. Okay, so once I've got that, I'm going to select that edge here. Okay, now I'm going to press Alt E and then just choose the spin, and you should be able to see I got this result. And one thing you should know that when I'm applying the spin, this is giving me a view dependent result. Let's say if I just choose any of the orthographic view and then spin, then you get a much better cylinder there. Okay, however, if you, let's say if you have applied this spin tool and then you got this odd result, then you can always fix that. Okay, now I'm going to choose the axis to the Z axis. Okay, and then I'm going to put the center like that, and then you should be able to see that circle coming there. And let's say if I change the axis to Y, and then you get this one. Okay, and you have the steps. You can increase or decrease the steps there, and also you got the axis where you can control the axis there. And you should be able to see the auto merge option is there, which is going to merge that last edge. And you have use duplicate options, which will end up giving me that selected edge duplicates. It's not building up the face there. Okay, so you can choose any one of them there.